Here we are at Top Homestead. Today we're going to build a cattle panel hoop house. This will be my second one I've built, so I kind of know what's going on. I'm just going to follow my other design because it worked out pretty well. We're going to start with a 2x6 by 16 board, some 2x4s. We're going to cut the 2x4s at 7-foot width, and we're going to place them in between the 2x6s. I've cut the 2x6 an angle off the end, makes it easier for dragging. So now I'm about to screw everything together and get the frame going. I've got 3 hog panels that will go across the middle. Each of them are 50 inches wide, so that I measured about 152, 153 inches down the length here. Split the difference for the ends as skids. So we're going to get started screwing this together, and we'll check back at the next step. Alright, we've made our connections. We use a 3-inch screw and then a 1 1/4. We use a 1 1/4 on a little corner bracket. I put it on the outside, that way it doesn't interfere with the hog panels on the inside. I used a couple 3-inch screws on the outside to attach the 2x4. We're framed up, ready to put some hog panels in now. Alright, I'm going to show you how to put the cattle panel in place by yourself. I've got the end pushed against the 2x6 on the far side. Get in the middle. There you go. Alright, we got the 3 hog panels in, and now we're attaching the hog panels. I'm going to show you how I'm doing that. Taking 1.5-inch fencing staples, and I'm attaching it on each end. I'm using a 2x4 to hold it up and space it just up off the ground. You don't want your panels on the ground. Keep it from dragging on the ground, keep it from rusting as quickly. So I'm going in here and putting these fencing staples on here, and I'll show you how I'm doing that. Go around and do that on all the sides, and then I'll come back and show you more. Alright, here we go. All done with the panels. I went and took zip ties and made all my connections all the way down. I left a little gap down there. Last time I put them just a little too tight, so this time I'm leaving just a little gap. You see, it's pretty rigid just by itself, and you can almost just use it like this. But I'm going to frame out the ends, put a door and a window on this other end. But you see, I got it pretty much leveled up, ready for the next step. Quick and easy.